G'day, welcome to Pay It Forward, and today of course is launch day and the big reveal for March Masterclass project, and you have all seen my sneaky peek. You're all way too clever and have guessed that yes, I have created a gorgeous Pinocchio art doll. It is in the medium size, but it is a different pattern. It's definitely changed up quite a bit. So all of you who have made all of my medium art dolls so far, you're absolutely going to love this one. It's a personal favourite for me because all of you who are part of my journey know that I am a Disney nut and am very inspired by original Disney way back. So when I first started in this industry, when I was up north in the top of Australia and a very isolated place, had something like 4 little boys running around, very young, and I was looking desperately for a creative outlet, and that's where of course I found teddy bear making and first ever started sewing. I used my local library for everything, for my research and resources, because there was no Mr. Google then. And one of the key books that I found this treasure in the local library, and it was called Disney's book, The Animation of Life, and it's basically just everything about the start of Disney and the animation and the work and the artwork. So, and look who's on the cover. It is Pinocchio. So all of those years ago, I borrowed that book from the local library and I kept it, and then I kept it longer than I should have. I eventually had to return it. I didn't want to give it up. But about 15 years later, when I was well and truly into my career, one of my sons and my husband, Mr. T, surprised me with this book. The same book, they managed to find it. So very close to my heart, and this is my reference. I'm always talking to you all about get good reference pictures. Well, this is my reference for Pinocchio. Of course, I've put my own spin on my Pinocchio, and so you'll see a likeness there, I hope. So if you ever get to have a look at this book, it's absolutely gold. So we're going to have a look at Pinocchio now. There's a whole lot going on in Masterclass. Not only will we be having Pinocchio to make next month, I'm going to drop you a second commercial pattern like I always try and do. There's lots to be learning along the way, and I also find that as you go along, if you follow the projects from the start and you work through them, I'm trying to equip you with skills that get you ready for the next project each time. So try and remember that. And of course, when you join Masterclass, you get all of the projects that came before. So you're not just getting that 1 month, you're getting everything that came before. So I hope to see a lot of you there to create your version of Pinocchio with me. I'm also going to be doing a giveaway today, and I have a beautiful Pinocchio pack for you. It's a beautiful pack with everything that you'll need to create your own little real boy. So let's have a look at my Pinocchio. So here is my Pinocchio, my beautiful little boy come to life, and as you can see, as I said, I have done him completely in a Disney style of colours. I've absolutely put my own spin on him and given him the sort of puppet look that I like the idea of. You can see there, look at that profile. What a great profile. So not only do you get to make the beautiful art doll, of course, you get to make his gorgeous little fedora hat, his special separate collar and bow, his beautiful tailored vest, his shorts, and those gorgeous old-fashioned Mary Jane shoes, which are so lovely. And you need to remember that we will be making art dolls moving forward. This little guy has larger feet, thicker limbs than my medium art doll that you may well have seen before, and so we will be doing some art dolls moving forward in Masterclass that use this pattern. You'll be able to use these shoes over and over again. You can make them up in so many different fabrics, and so is the case for the hat and the other clothing. So it's going to be really useful to you, I think. So made completely out of felt and fabrics. He has his ball joints there. He's also jointed at the arms, neck. That nose is jointed, and ball joints at the knees, of course. So a very inexpensive one to make this month, because just felts and fabrics, and then you can put your own spin on that costuming, and I really do hope you do that. This is one where you can be just so creative. You can put a really old world look to it. You can add some amazing mixed media style. You could do it very, very primitive. I would love to see a very primitive looking one with raw edges on the clothing and all that sort of thing. I just know you're going to do amazing things. So I also have, so as our giveaway pack, I'm going to be giving you a kit that has your ball joints there, your beads for your ball joints. It has all of the necessary joints, including that joint for the nose, neck, arms and legs, and I have given you a beautiful pair of my favourite premium glass eyes in blue, and you have a selection there of felts, enough there to make him up. You'll need to find your own, choose your own clothing, but I've given you basically the colours that I've used, and I've given you more than enough than what you'll need to have a little play with. This is my favourite felt. It's an acrylic washable felt, so it'd be nice for someone to give that a go and have a try with that. So we will be asking that question. I will be asking that question at the end of the video, so let's go ahead and do that. Well, I hope you've enjoyed that sneaky peek today, and I hope it's encouraged some of you to think about coming over and joining Masterclass. Remember too with Masterclass that you can join and unsubscribe at any time, and that means that you can access all of the other projects, you can download them and their patterns and the videos, and you can watch them in your own time. Of course, saying that, I absolutely love my community of people who stay with me all the time. I really, really appreciate you, and of course that supports my work the best. And I just love having you with me, and of course during the month in Masterclass we have different coffee chats, and there's so much more going on in Masterclass than just those two projects. Definitely great community of people wanting to step up and move forward in their skills. So if ever you wanted to join Masterclass and weren't sure about skills, little Pinocchio here is a great one for a little step up, and you can do as much with him or as little with him as you like. So I hope some of you are tempted. So I'm going to put the link down below to our Facebook page, of course, where we all share our creations and everybody inspires each other. Thank you all for doing that. It definitely keeps me going. And also I'll put the link down below for you to join Masterclass if you wish. So the question I have for you to win that beautiful Pinocchio pack is, I had a beautiful grandpuppy and her name was Shelby. And I actually made a tribute dog here in Pay It Forward, one of the videos. A patchwork dog. My question to you is, what breed of dog was my beautiful Shelby? So first person to give me the name of Shelby's breed in the comments below will win that gorgeous Pinocchio pack, and I will send that out to you wherever you are in the world. Looking forward right here on Pay It Forward to our next project together. I promised you that beautiful Easter bunny made in Sherpa, part of my new Sherpa collection. I'm so excited. She's big, she's beautiful and cuddly, and mine is pink. So I'm really excited to work with the pink. So get your Sherpa ready, and she will be coming up really soon. So everybody have a fantastic creative week. I'll see some new people over in Masterclass, I hope, and stay creative, stay safe, and make sure you pay all of those good things forward. Until next time, it is hooroo from me.